Oh, guys, you remember the Mr. Beast video and the others? You should go watch it right now. One time, I used to open my Alice Angel with the thing, and her stand, and her picture, and her standing thing, but I got new ones. You should buy them, and you should tell your dad to buy them too. Because look, they're easy to find. Wow. New Ink Demon Edition. And guess what? I got you guys' favorite character. Sammy. His name is Sammy, actually. Cause see the name? The E in the name? Oh, you see the E right here? See that E? That's it. It says right here, Sammy. Okay. So which one I got? Actually, which one is the Bendy? Is this one right here? Look how cool it is, it's so big.
Oh, that was so cool.
That's like the lever. Wow. Now I'm gonna get Sammy out. Big hands, like shakes the floor. He falls down. Kukui, look! You can change it to one of these. What's it say right here, Kukui?
Cycle breakers. Cycle breakers.
What's that say?
Like, if you poke these out, poke these. Like, so then you get this, and you're gonna fold this. These pieces, you fold.
I know. Like, fold. Oh, so you have to like fold?
Yeah, and you put them inside there.
And fold.
We fold all this huge
Hard to get out.
and then
But he's kind of hard. He has a little crack in his mouth. You can't see, but it's because it's close.
So you grab some scissors.
I know. I don't want that to happen to my best friend.
You have to be.
Guys, be careful with scissors because but guys, don't hurt these guys because these guys, they're the rarest toys in the world. Also, don't break them or draw them because they're so rare that. Now I got Sammy.
Oh, let's get the guitar. Okay, then we get the guitar out and wiggly.
Oh, like in the game. He moves everything. Also comes with this.
So like he moves his stomach, he moves his head.
Oh my gosh, I always wanted one of these.
Oh my God!
Look, he can hold the guitar. But no. Slightly. Told you not. Oh, look, he's standing by himself without the stand. So Alice can't do that because he has tiny feet.
Yeah, hey, let's put this one like this, like, let's put it right here. Let's put it right here.
Let's put him on there.
Like that.
It's gonna point to my brother, to my big brother. Ukukui.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God.
Collections you have. This is. This is Alice Angel.
You should guys watch the other video of that one, because that one was a long time ago.
Yeah.
First of all, in the game, he like hits people in the game. Like when you try to go to the exit, he hits you and he tells you it's time for bed. And he takes you to an ugly place where he says, shh, 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 it's time for sleep. Guys, that's all for the video, but I'm gonna make another one with this one, but tomorrow. So bye. Also like, subscribe.